Beijing Golden Color Technology Co., Limited, is located in the city of the Double Olympic Games, Beijing. Since its establishment in 2005, Golden Color Technology Co., Limited has continued to innovate and is committed to becoming a leader in the field of liquid dispensing and automation technology. Through self-developed computer control software, Golden Color Technology greatly reduces errors in human operation and realizes the precision of the production process. With strong database support, our products offer a wider range of color options to better meet customers' individual needs. Golden Color Technology system not only supports planned production, but also has real-time production features that significantly shorten the production cycle. At the same time, the powerful management function reduces the complexity of quality control, ensures the accuracy and repeatability of color matching, and allows each production to achieve optimal quality. Through rational inventory management planning, we have effectively reduced the inventory of raw materials and finished goods, optimizing productivity while reducing labor costs. In the face of increasing environmental requirements, Golden Color Technology is actively responding to the environmental pressure in the paint manufacturing industry. By optimizing the cleaning process and reducing the discharge of waste liquid, we have reduced the cost of pollution for our customers while helping to protect the environment and guarding the green future. Our products have been widely used in many fields such as chemicals, coatings, printing, packaging, printing and dyeing, leather, flavors, etc., bringing our customers a significant increase in production efficiency, precise operation, reducing raw material waste, safeguarding health and environmental protection, and maximizing benefits. Golden Color Technology has partners all over the world, from Southeast Asia, Europe, America, to other parts of Asia. Our products and services are widely recognized, and we have agents and after-sales service outlets in many countries and regions to provide timely and hassle-free after-sales service. Beijing Golden Color Technology Co., Limited, with technology-driven innovation, hand in hand with global partners, the constant pursuit of excellence to help customers towards success. Beijing Golden Color Technology. Precise production, environmental protection pioneer, your best partner.